Are you tired of project management chaos and craving data-driven clarity? Let's unlock the hidden power of Excel within your Trello boards, transforming them from simple to-do lists into dynamic project dashboards. First, to link an Excel file, ensure your spreadsheet is stored in a cloud service like Google Drive or OneDrive. Then, in your Trello card, click the Attachments button, select your cloud service, and navigate to your Excel file. Click Attach now. Team members can easily access the data directly from the card. Need a quick visual? Embed Excel charts. In Excel, copy your desired chart, then, in your Trello card's description, simply paste the chart. Trello will display it as an image, giving everyone immediate insight. For advanced data analysis, explore Power-Ups. Click Power-Ups, then search for Excel integrations. There are several available, offering features like real-time data synchronization, automated reporting, and more. Choose the Power-Up that best suits your needs and enable it. With these integrations, you can visualize key metrics, track progress, and make informed decisions without ever leaving your Trello board. So, supercharge your Trello workflow and transform your project management with the power of Excel.